My kings and queens, this is Rastafari Soldier showing you say, yo, the tree them a grow nice and green. See it there, my coconut tree. I'm soursop tree this, you see me I say? I'm saying all fruits ripe. So we've shaped the fruit tree. See, a fruit is there for you and me. Yeah, we not give up on the farming, because a farming we love and a farming we are deal with. We do it for the love. We don't do it for the likes. We do it for the love. We don't do it because we hype. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier. You're ripe up. Yo, we're not really hype up. Zin? And we are deal with it. See, me have a one right here, so we are get ripe. Me just pop off one a minute ago, and me do it for the love, and not for the hype. You understand? So just build back and relax. Zin? I just say it. Me there close by. Earlier, me pop off for R1. I'll pop up this one probably tomorrow or so. See him there? He might turn a little bit on the tray. So we don't pick the fruits them before the time. Zin? Because that is a crime. Zin? And we not sell it up for no nickel and no dime. Because you know what? A good levity in my mind. You can tell. Some already get taken off. Some get stolen off. Some bought off. Zin? I mean I tell you say yo, you don't say the half. Because the farming just start. You can tell. Yeah, see it there? Me have a look at fruit trees them right there. So I build back on the spot. I farm up my thing. You think a joke thing? You think a chattings? A farming with a pan. You think a chattings? See it there? Aye. I'm a soursop tree. My coconut tree. My mango tree. More soursop tree. As you can see, we are doing it for me and you. We're not doing it for no money. We're doing it for free. Because I love, we love it. See that the sun I burn them look a bit. Zin? I'm just to keep you up. I make you know what I go on. See that one way down that's up on the left? You see it have colors on it? It ripe. Me just pick off it. Look at the next one, we're next to it. And it bright. So just remember, it's Rastafari Soldier. We're farming because of farming we like. We're farming because of farming for spite. See, they have pure ackee tree in my plant up. Yeah, the bugs them eat it. Yeah, me not put no chemicals on them. So the bugs them like it. See it there?